So I'm here in Brisbane and I just got the Ollo Clip and I want to see how this measures up to moment lenses. I'll explain in a second. Let's get to it. Yeah, that's right. I got the Ollo Clip mobile photography box set for the iPhone 10 at the Apple Store. I thought it was pretty cool. There's reasons. Hold on. I'm getting a FaceTime. Oh, it's Mark Ensbey. Hey.
Hey mate, I thought you said you love the moment lenses.
Yeah, well, I mean, I've been using moment lenses. I know I've been raving about them. I like them a lot, but there's a
Right!
Okay. He has a right to be mad because I've been telling him to get moment lenses for the iPhone 10 for a long time now, and I found this recently just because I needed something extra that Moment didn't provide. So let's take a quick look in the box. There are 2 lenses included, a super wide and a fisheye / macro lens, and this little clip that also doubles as a stand. And that's pretty much it. So ever since I started doing my live stream channel, shameless promotion, I really wanted something for a front-facing camera, and I had this clip lens, which sucks. It was $40, Australian, $40. $40! So I did some digging online, and that's where I came up with Ollo. It's getting windy here. Why is it windy here? It wasn't windy a second ago. Alright, so the proof is in the footage, so let's just get to the comparisons between the moment lenses and the Ollo Clip. When I bought the moment lenses, I got the telephoto, macro, and wide angle lens. And although I can't do much of a comparison with the telephoto, and the pretty useless macro unless you're ridiculously close, I just want to focus on the wide angle lens. And the wide angle isn't bad. This is actually why I got the moment lenses, so that I can vlog from my phone and have that cool wide angle effect, so it's not too up close and personal like that. That's kind of gross. It's just annoying because if I want to use the front side, I can't. It's just gonna look gross like this. So now that you've seen this, let's try the Ollo Clip. The Ollo Clip is super easy to clip on and off. This is the wide angle lens. It's just super wide. There's also ultra wide, which will give you a little bit more, just like the moment lens did, but the real reason for this was the live streaming, because now I can have both sides and flip the screen and it'll actually look good throughout it. Before I had the moment lens on, I tried to use that clip thing, it wouldn't work. Look at how stable this is. It's on there, it's clamped on. So right now you're looking at this through the Ollo Clip lens. It's actually nice because it makes you want to look at the lens and not yourself. So here's without it. Disgusting. Clip that on there. That looks so good. Alright, I want to give you some different perspectives doing the same walkthrough shot. So this is the moment lens wide angle. This is the fisheye lens, so I mean you can definitely see that it's way more round, but here. So this is the back-facing camera with the super wide angle lens, and you can just kind of see the difference. I'll put both of them moment and this one side by side. So you can kind of see, I really think it's very comparable. All right, well, let's break this down a little bit further and kind of see the price comparison between the two. So let's take a look at the moment lens prices. First off, you have to get the case for $30. Wide angle lens is $90, telephoto is $90, ridiculous macro lens is $100, the super fisheye is $90, and the anamorphic lens is $120, totaling $520 US for everything. Now let's look at the Ollo Clip. You get the clip with the super wide and fisheye macro lens, it's $100. Telephoto is $60. They do have an optional case for $30. Ultra wide lens is $45. And another ridiculously close up macro lens is $45. Totaling $280 US for all of it. But for what I have, you just have to shell out $100. See, that is a huge amount of savings, and I think that I would prefer this better. And just so you know, I'm not a big enough channel to get sponsored, so this is not sponsored. I just bought this for that front-facing wide-angle lens, and then I saw that it was actually a little bit more convenient than the moment lenses.
Right, Danny, thank you so much for that review. That was Ollo Clip, so good. I had to go and buy one, but if you want to check out my review, maybe
I know this isn't your typical Danny Black adventure video this week. I just really wanted to show you something that could probably save you a lot of money and get you better footage when you're making videos on your own with your mobile phone. going because my meter is about to expire in like 5 seconds. Gotta go. I hope you found this tech review helpful. Don't forget you can subscribe, and you can check out Mark Ensbey's channel, and check out my live stream channel for more in-depth videos. Actually, I have a live stream video comparing the Moment and the Ollo. If you want to see more, click that video.